In this video, I'll show you how to set up your Hisense Vidaa TV. So when you get it out of the box and you plug it in the power outlet, you turn it on, you should get this screen. And this is the beginning of the setup. So let's get started. So first thing, select the language from the list. I'll select English. If you want to select, just use the arrows from your remote control and press OK to confirm. Then you have to select your Wi-Fi network from the list. Mine is the first one, so I'll go ahead and press the OK button. Then you have to type the password of this Wi-Fi network. If your password is just numbers, you can use the number pad on the bottom of your remote control. If not, just press the OK button on the remote so the keyboard appears on the bottom of the screen and you can navigate and type your password this way. So I typed my password and now I'll press the OK button right over here, like that. It will take just a few seconds and it will connect to your Wi-Fi network. Now next is to select your country that you're in. So in my case it's Canada, but just by navigating you can select yours in this list. So once you're on it, press OK. Then select your time zone. In case your country has different time zone, you'll have to select yours. Mine is right over here, so I'll press OK. Next step, you need to select all and press OK, and then press OK button again. Now it will present to you this screen where you can create a Vidaa account. Vidaa is a system made by Hisense. And what it does is that it stores your TV preference in your account, your subscription also, and other personal details. It's up to you. You're not obligated to create an account to use this TV. I'll go ahead and skip it. And by the way, if you skip it now, you can always create this account later if you feel that you need it. So let me select skip. And then press OK, then press skip again. It will ask you to name your TV. You can select living room, bedroom, whatever, or even create your own custom name. I don't really care, so I'll select living room TV. Here it will ask you if you want to register your TV, mostly for a warranty purpose. In my case, I don't mind, so I won't do it. But if you want to register it, just take your smartphone, scan your QR code here, and you'll be able to do the registration. If not, just press the next button and press OK. It will say welcome to Vidaa and it will give you a few options here. I suggest you go home, so press OK. And this will be the home screen of your TV where all the apps will be displayed. So if we go with the down arrow here and then with the right arrow, by the way, if your TV is brand new, there's good chances that you need to update the software, and usually you get a screen like this asking you to upgrade. Just press OK and it will take a minute, 2 minutes until the upgrade will be at 100%. So you just have to wait. Okay, so now the TV has been upgraded and we're back on the main screen. By the way, if you want to get back to this screen, if you're somewhere else on the TV, just press the home button, this button over here with the home. So all your apps are down below. There's many of them. You can scroll through them, and if you want to download more apps than the one that you see, just press on more apps here, OK, and then you need to go on the App Store over here. So go down like this, OK, and it will take just a few seconds. It will load the App Store. There's not a lot of options, I'll tell you honestly. You can browse them here, but I think the best ones are already installed on your TV. So this is it. This is how you set up your Hisense TV. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.